Hi there. Today I'm doing a review on this round backdrop stand. This stand was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's open up this box. What you see is what came in the kit. You have a storage bag. It also came with instructions in the packing list. It looks like it's going to be very easy to put together. 2 of the base support tubes, and then we have the adapter tubes, and then 15 of the arch tubes. It's very easy. You just press the button and stick the tube in, and it clicks and it is hooked. It does stand about 7 feet tall. And right there are the support tubes. The support tubes have a wing nut that is very easy, and what you do is you will just turn that to tighten it. This balloon arch went together very well. The balloons adhered to the arch very, very easily with the strip. All in all, I suggest this balloon arch.